Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
You guys, exciting day. I'm moving into my new apartment. It's all mine. And it's the perfect balance of already beautiful, but there's just enough that I can like fix up and make my own and style and bring in personality. And I cannot wait to show it to you. I'm freaking the freak out. So it's the 15th today. My lease does not end at my current apartment until the end of the month, so I'm gonna be moving in slowly. But I brought a few things today while I am picking up my keys. And I just couldn't be more excited. I am so pumped. So I'm gonna take you on a tour of my new apartment here in Maine. Okay, so this is walking up to the house, or to my unit. This is my view. I already cannot wait for the fall because I know it's gonna be stunning. This is my little patio area. And here's the front door. There's a little step down. Here's my living room. I mean, just look at this view. Look at all these windows. I'm gonna have to figure out some sort of curtain situation. I think it's a little too much woods for the middle of the night. But whatever. Two doors. This is like a dining area. The beams will make it a little tricky, but we'll work it out. And the kitchen. So this guy up here is AC and heat, dehumidifier, all that kind of stuff, which is really great because in New England, a lot of places don't have air conditioning. Because, you know, summers don't get that hot, except it's been kind of hot. Got a little closet here. I was thinking it might be cool to like take the doors off this closet and paint the inside and have more shelves as kind of like, you know, kind of a faux built-in. Make it a statement color. So, let's see about that. The kitchen. So yeah, the beams can make it a little tricky with the cabinets and stuff, but I have some ideas. Okay, and here's the bathroom. Shower's a pretty good size. An open shelf there. I'll probably take down that towel rack, that rack, and take out this little thing because I just don't think I'll need it. But there's a window in here. Drivable space here. On this wood block, which everything kind of can use a little bit of a styling session. But not too bad. Probably do something cool with those cabinet doors. I've been pinning like crazy. I really like this kind of nice doorway into where the bedroom is. I think Christmas time would be really pretty to put some garland over here, because of course I'm thinking about Christmas already. There's a really nice sized storage closet with a ton of storage and a shelf I would never be able to reach. That's okay. And I thought this might be a good wall for like some hooks and stuff for like winter coats and that kind of stuff, so you can just grab it and walk out the door. Also, how funny is it there's a ceiling fan in just this little nook? I don't even know if it works or why you would use it, but there's a ceiling fan in here technically. Okay, here's the bedroom. Look at all those windows, so pretty. I think this window is my favorite part because you can just unlock it. And wind it open. How amazing is that? Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh, when it's fall. I mean, it feels good out there now, but and there's like this nice ledge. So maybe some books, a plant. There's this does not have any light bulbs in it. I might want to take that off because it's kind of weird. But yeah, closet. It's a pretty good sized bedroom, honestly. The lighting is weird. There's no ceiling lights. Everything is kind of wall lighting. So the good news is that is, you know, something that can be swapped out for some more stylish lighting. But I am pretty pumped, to say the least.
I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you.